Here at Northern Illinois University, we provide students transformative experiences. At the College of Engineering and Engineering Technology, we offer over 40 laboratories in our facility, where our students have access to professional equipment and workspaces like the Microelectronics Research and Development Laboratory. Our lab has over 4,000 square feet of clean rooms split into 6 work areas: the Hybrid Microelectronic Lab, the Thin Film Lab, the Semiconductor Lab, the Photomask Photoplotter Labs, and the Analysis Lab. Each lab has a specific focus. The Hybrid Lab gives students the ability to miniaturize assemblies of integrated circuits. The Thin Film Lab allows students to go further into fundamentals of miniaturization, exploring electronics on the micro and nano scale. Designs for this lab can be made by students and fabricated in our Photomask Lab. The Semiconductor Lab provides students with the opportunity to design and test semiconductor evolutions. Finally, once the design is complete, students can use the Analysis Lab to get a closer look at the work they've completed. Within these walls, students as early as their freshman and sophomore years experience hands-on learning, so engineering isn't just a concept, it's a reality. Students are encouraged to try new things and follow their curiosity.
So right now I'm working on a 3D IC cooling block. So this 3D IC cooling block, it requires a very precise fabrication.
I study the optical, electrical, and semiconducting properties of nanoparticle superlattice films.
We have been working on a project which is related to the field emission studies, and we are currently experimenting on ultra-nanocrystalline diamond, which is a new form of diamond.
All these opportunities and more await you at the College of Engineering and Engineering Technology here at Northern Illinois University. Let's experience engineering together.